Hello mga mi, work from home job ba ang hanap mo? Yung tipong nagtatrabaho ka habang may magandang view ng beach. Um, Lagi ka na lang bang nai-scam or magulong hiring process ang nai-encounter mo? Watch this video until the end dahil isi-share ko ang legit company where I had my first job as a VA. So first, how to apply? What's the process? You just need to go to their website, click apply, and then around 5 minutes to answer the form. So, fill out nyo lang yung form. And if shortlisted ka, you will receive an email invitation for initial interview. And this is via Zoom. The result would be 1 to 2 weeks. And next step would be a final interview with the client. So, this is a group of 5 to 7 applicants for the final interview, and each applicant merong 10 to 15 minutes, one at a time with the client. So, kumbaga kailangang highlight mo talaga yung mga strengths mo dahil 5 to 7 applicants kayo during the final interview. So, you will be interviewed again one at a time. You will be placed in the waiting room, and at the end of that around 2-hour time frame, the result will be announced. And in case lang that you will not make it, you will be scheduled naman for another interview, another set of interview for other clients who are possibly fit for the skills that you have. Next question is, how much is the salary? So, not that bad. Salary, given na starting position siya as a VA, is around $4 per hour. So, currently, around 54 pesos to $1 ang exchange rate. So, that's around 216 pesos per hour. And, dun sa client na napuntahan ko, weekly yung sahod. So, wala ring mabawas na tax. So, weekly, nag-range siya around 8,640 pesos per week. So, in a month, that's around 34,560 pesos doing this task for the client. Again, yung mga task nyo, it would vary from one client to another. I got lucky that the first client na hinandle ko, more on email management lang and schedule management. So, mostly non-voice yung na-handle ko. So, please comment below for questions or suggestions on our next video, and follow me on all of my social media. I also conduct free practice and mock interview. Just comment below if you or someone you know needs help. And by the way, as a reveal of the company that I applied for, the name is Spear Rocket. Yes, Spear Rocket. That's SPHERE, and then Rocket, ROCKET. So you could also check them here in TikTok for more information. Thank you. Good luck on your application.